What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I made my way to Flow Toyota of Statesville with a 2026 Toyota Camry, and today we're going to show you the LastFit all-weather floor liners. So the Camry is one of the most popular cars sold in the USA. 2025 was the all-new model year, of course 2026, same thing. So with that said, for those of you buying a new Camry and you want to keep your interior nice and clean, today we're going to see how well these LastFit liners fit in this car as well as how they compare to stock. And if you own a Camry, check the link down below to get a nice discount on these for your own car. So here's a quick look at the stock ones versus the LastFit. So these are the Toyota all-weather floor mats for the passenger front seat. As you can tell on the LastFit one, it's the same style. However, we have a much larger lip surrounding the entire edge of the liner. So this is going to do a way better job protecting the carpeting. It goes up farther as well versus the stock Toyota ones. Same thing as we get to the driver's side. It's going to cover up the dead pedal with a nice lip around it and do just a better job. So I like how the Toyota ones are. I mean, definitely good setup. However, the LastFit ones are even larger. They're still going to lock in and they're going to do a better job. For the second row, you can see we have just a massive single piece to protect all the carpeting, whereas the stock ones are just going to be two small ones, one on each side. So already you can tell big difference between the two. And then for the trunk liner, a nice rubber material once again with a nice lip to cover everything. So I've gone ahead and installed the trunk liner just to show how far up it goes. It goes all the way up to the seat backs, and then the lip is going to go nicely around the entire interior. So it does a great job covering everything that you need. It even gives you access to those little hooks. But it's going to be a great way to keep that trunk clean. And when it comes time to get it all dirty, you just pull the whole thing out and we can easily clean everything. And for the back row, as you can tell, we have all the carpeting down here, this massive bump as well. So the stock ones are only going to cover where your feet go. They don't really go that far underneath the seat, and they're not covering that bump as well. So in order to install these, really simple as expected, just pick them up and we're just going to gently slide it into place. And then from here, we can just work it down, get it to line up. And as you can tell, it's going to fit really nicely going all the way up underneath the seat. Got the cool LastFit logo, and then it even covers all the way up to that plastic trim and then to the whole backing. So they did a really good job making sure these are going to fit perfectly. And once again, the lip is so much larger. So when your kids or guests are in the back seat of your Camry or getting it all dirty, it makes it a heck of a lot easier. Lastly, for the front seats, super easy as expected. And then just a larger design than stock, so really good design. You also have these pricks all down below it just so it grips the carpet really well. But for this one, super easy. We can just slide it all the way up. And as you can tell, fitting perfectly. Look how well that does, covering everything. The lip goes right up to here onto the door sill, so you're not gonna have to do extra cleaning for these. Driver's seat now is gonna have those locks on it. You're just gonna pop the caps off, as you can tell. And then this is just going to slide into place. Super simple. And then we're just going to rotate these to line them up with the actual lock itself. And then we can very easily connect that. And then once again, we're going to cover up the dead pedal really well and just have a nice OEM style. And then from here, to continue being nice and clean, we can just cap them as well. But there is a full look at the LastFit all-weather floor mats for the newest generation Toyota Camry. This is a great way to keep your car nice and clean. Camry is a super popular car, and you guys are gonna get a discount if you use the code down in the description. New Camry, great way to go for just a good commuter car, good family sedan, and that is one way to keep your interior nice and clean. So check the link below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for plenty more content, and I'll see you all in the next video.